It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have been doing an inventory of my Bath & Body Works shower gel. And I did place an order today for the sale. So Bath & Body Works today has a sale on body wash, moisturizing body wash, and body lotion. It's a great deal. Like if you need shower gel or lotion, it's a great deal. I, however, am realizing I have a little bit too much shower gel. So what I did order is, and this is in 1,294 carts right now, online preview, I got the Restore with Magnesium in the body wash, and I got it in the body lotion. I did not get the perfume mist. I probably should have. I didn't see it. I could have used an app reward, but for some reason, this is really weird, when I was sorting from like new, it didn't show up. I actually had to type in Restore. So they actually have it in the hand cream, and then they have it in the body butter. Now, this is a new, it's like that wellness collection. I've got a screenshot up right here. But it's supposed to have magnesium in it, which I really like. I love any type of product that has magnesium. And the scent on it is, where is the scent? More information. I thought I saw the scent. I think it's supposed to be like a woody cherry. Why am I not seeing the scent, you guys? They had the scent on it before. Let me check the lotion. Oh, here it is. Yeah. It's a woody warm cherry. That sounds good. That sounds actually absolutely amazing. So I have the body wash. I have the lotion coming. I'm going to be reviewing that. As far as the shower gel, I didn't get any more shower gel. So this is kind of what I found. I didn't go overboard this year with shower gel. I got to say, I have a reasonable amount left over. It's not like out of control. I have been using like a lot of different brands. I love my Avon body washes. I love the strawberry crumb cake from Dove that crumble. So, you know me, I mix in like all kinds of different stuff. So here's what I found. I found Immortal. This was left over from Halloween. I'm going to stick this in my husband's shower and see if he uses it. It is Black Plum, Suede Saffron, and Haunted Woods. He may just pass it by. I don't know. He may just be like, no, because he likes his Lush Dirty Spring Wash, but I'll put it in there. I have a Cue the Confetti body wash, which is Shimmering Blackberry and a New Year's Kiss. It's okay. It's not bad for summer for body wash. I'll use it up. I have my All Eyes on Her. I have a Cinderella, which is a little too florally. I'm thinking of putting a box together. Oh, yeah. For my sister-in-law and kind of adding a whole bunch of stuff in there. I have a Candy Apple Cauldron. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is actually a good one. I'm going to put that in the shower like right now and use that up. I have a Bright Christmas Morning. I'm like, this is such a mishmash of stuff. I have a Vanilla Bean Noel. Oh, Imperfect Beauty. I'm going to use that one. Strawberry Flirt. I've used these a little bit. Like, I use like a one shower. I like them all. Pistachio Glaze is wonderful. I love that in the shower. And actually, Strawberry Flirt is so good in the shower. It's like strawberry jam. So I highly recommend any of these. I do have a Aromatherapy Lavender and Vanilla, which is good. I gotta say, I like this in the body wash. So yeah, I mean, lots of, oh boy, that's strong. I like it. Lots of good choices. I think the thing that got me kind of slowing down on my ordering today was like, you know what? We got semi-annual sale coming. We have summer coming. I want pink bubblegum in the shower gel. I'm like, bring it on. I want all the new stuff. And I want everything that's coming out for semi-annual sale. So I'm like, you know what? I got enough shower gel to last me a while. But if something new comes, you know I'm going to get it. I'm going to review it. But in the meantime, I am using this stuff up. Anyway, let me know if you're shopping today. And I will see you guys a little bit later. Lenny is driving in right now. Bye-bye.